How to change the browser image or favicon on your Squarespace website. Hey everyone and welcome, I hope you're all doing great. In this video I'll show you step by step how to do so. Now this is going to be pretty easy, so the one that we were talking about basically is this little thing on the top here. You can see on the browser, you can actually go and see this little icon, which is a cube right now, and we can change it so that it is a better favicon. To do so, you just wanted to go ahead and log in into your Squarespace website, and then you just wanted to go ahead and open up the proper site that you want to change the favicon for. Click on settings, so scroll down from the website and stuff, scroll down to the bottom and you will find the general settings here. This is the one that we wanted to go with. So go to general settings, and then from here you should actually go ahead and go to the website section, which is the first one here. Here you will find site availability, site languages, and so on. So you want to scroll down until you find favicon. So adjust your site's favicon. Go ahead and click on that. And then we can basically just go ahead and upload a favicon. It's that simple. So upload an icon to display in the browser tab next to your site title to help make your site recognizable. So again, this is the one that we're talking about on the top left. Now, obviously here you are going to be greeted with two different options. If you have a dark mode on, then this is also going to be available for you. But if you only have the default, then you can just add it in here and you should be good to go. Now, favicons are going to be very, very small. It's smaller than your logo, smaller than anything because it is quite small image. You can see again on the top left. So icons should be in PNG file format. This is a must. And recommended sizing is between 100 by 100 pixels and 300 by 300 pixels. So you can just feel free to create one, or I think there are going to be some tools online to help you make an image into a favicon if you would like. So just go and create your favicon and add it over here. For example, here's one of those sites, which is favicon.io. I have tried this one before and it works quite well. So you can just go and drag and drop your image, which is not small enough. So we can just use this one. And it should actually convert it for you. Click on download and you should find yourself with a favicon file. Okay, so I just got mine, I extracted it, and it actually gives you multiple different ones. So just go back here, click on add a favicon upload file, and just select the proper one. So they did say here 100 times 100, so I'm just going to go with this one. Which is 192 by 192, and I'm just going to use that one. Click on save once it's available. If you want to add this one, I guess you can also do so. So I'm just going to add the same one again, even though it's for dark mode, so hopefully it does not really mess things up. Click on save and we're good to go. We pretty much did upload our favicon to our Squarespace website, so whenever you actually visit your site, it's actually going to be right on the top here, on the top left. So hopefully you found this video to be helpful, and thanks for watching.